welcome to my channel. Tonight I have a mystery box from a brand that I have only tried one product from, so I'm so excited. So the mystery box is from Hank and Henry. I recently got in a subscription box their Liquid It liner in Blickety Black, which that's just funny to me, but that liner is so amazing. I literally applied it with such ease and I was like, wait, I'm done. It was just that good that I didn't struggle. I didn't have to like fix things. The tip is just right. The color's super black. It stayed in place. So when I saw that these boxes were available, I was like, yes, absolutely, sign me up. I need it. Also, they do have Afterpay if you are interested. And as of right now, when I'm filming this, and this happens to me every time, this moment they are available. By the time that I upload this, they'll probably be gone. I will try to get this up before they are sold out because it seems like every time I do that, it is literally sold out the day before I upload the video. At any rate, let me tell you about the boxes. There are 3 options and you can get a box for $37 that has 4 full-size Hank and Henry items. That's the number 1 box. The number 2 is 8 full-size Hank and Henry items. That is what I purchased because I was like, yes, give me all the stuff. Also, I think there's a little bit of an addendum to that because you can get certain things in some boxes but not others. I'll look into it. And the number 3 is 4 full-size Hank and Henry products, but you also get 4 full-size Makeup Institute items. Now, I'm not familiar and I was really just interested in the Hank and Henry stuff, so I stuck with that. That box is $67. The number 2 that I got, this one, is $77. So a little bit pricey, but less than $10 per item. And like I said, if the quality is anything like the liner, I am going to be in love. Okay, so this was the thing. The one that I got, you can get brushes, mascara, liners, glosses, liquid lipsticks, collaborations, eye kits, or highlighters. So I think there is a difference when it comes to the 1 and the 2 as to what you can get. Yes, so brushes, mascaras, liners, glosses, liquid lipsticks, and collaborations in mystery box 1. It does not include Luster Veil highlighters or Alter Ego eye kits. So that's the 2 things that you can't get. I started to get the smaller one and I was like, you know what? No, I want to see what I can get. So it is definitely a mystery and I'm so excited to dive in. I'll try to remember to put the prices of the actual items on the screen so I can give you the value of the overall box. All right, so I've been dying to get into this. I cut the tape, but I did not open it up, so I'm so excited. Let's see. Oh, it's so cute too. They have the little owls. That's like their little theme. Really cute colored shred, and then some items in here. So let me pull one out. Right on top, this is the Liquid It liner in Blickety Black. It's so good. I have to tell you, actually, where is mine? I don't know where I put my liner. I literally used it once. It's just a mess in here. So it is a black liquid liner. I will insert a picture of the like tip and all that so you guys can see it, but I promise it is so good. Oh, next we have a brush. This is the Hank and Henry. It says Melly. I don't know exactly what that means. Let me look it up actually. Oh, so it just looks like all their brushes are named. So Melly goes for $16. They call it a loose highlight brush. So this seems like it would be a really good brush for really any type of highlight. It's got a lot of give to it. It feels pretty darn nice. Very sleek there. I like that. So it's just like that perfect size for your highlight. Brushes are always good. We have another brush. This one is Trish. So let's see what Trish is for. Looks like it may be contour. She's a contour brush and it goes for $17. Not bad prices for these. So it's a little bit shorter of a bristle, a little bit stiffer, and yeah, it's gonna be perfect to kind of fit that contour right in there. So I am super excited for these. They seem like really nice brushes, so I'm definitely happy to try them out. They seem pretty tall too. These are around the same height as the Sephora Pro brushes, which some people say they're like, oh, they're really big brushes. I love longer handles because, you know, you can hold it farther out, you get a little bit more control. So excited about both of these for sure. This is the Hank and Henry and Candy. Oh, it's Candy with a C. I don't know who that is. Collaborations. So this is a matte liquid lipstick. Oh, I think it's going to be the shade Candy Apple. So this is in collaboration with Candy Lover 89. I don't know who that is, but I think the color looks gorgeous. Oh, their packaging is so beautiful. So I've seen this many times and I don't know, the moment that I heard somebody talk about it, I think it was Tati that was talking about it on her channel, when she started showing the packaging and talking talking about the brand, I was like, oh, this is so luxurious. Like, I have to get my hands on some of this. But it's really not that bad of a price. These are $18. It's not like the scary high end. It is, ooh, that is a red, but that is candy apple. That is a beautiful red. I mean, yes, talk about like perfect holiday red. It's not too much of an orange or blue undertone. It's really pretty. And this is the Lip Luster Gloss in the shade Side Chick is the next item I have. Ooh, and same packaging. I love that because like the packaging is very much like an aesthetic, so I love that they are the same, and then you can just see the color in there. I think that's a really gorgeous touch, and the shape of the lipstick, which is just where the gloss is really cool. It's definitely like a really pepperminty kind of mint to it. Not my personal favorite, but that is totally personal preference. So it is a beautiful color. This is kind of like a bronzy with this really pretty shimmer in it. So cute. I think this is, oh yes, it's an eye kit. So I got the shade Miss Red Carpet. A pretty big little chunky box. I'm pretty sure this is the one that has like a dual thing going on. Oh, it's glittery. Okay, so there's like glitter on top of it, but it's kind of flaking off. That kind of takes away from it for me just a little bit packaging wise. I haven't used one of these, so this is new to me. So it's a Miss Red Carpet Luster Light Loose Pearls. You have No Man Needed Luster Veil Highlight, and then She Got Bread eyeshadow. So this must be the highlight here, I'm guessing. Wow. And then you have the loose on the bottom. It's really cool how they have this all together. So let me give you a little, whoa. Ooh, they feel amazing. Wow. If I'm not mistaken too, these are not cheap. Yeah, oh wow, these are $37 by themselves. There's some really pretty colors in here. Their formula too is crazy. So it is vegan, cruelty-free, phthalate-free, gluten-free, non-comedogenic, paraben-free, mineral-based, and anti-aging properties. Okay, that is very interesting. It has vitamin E in it. That's probably what they're referring to. Okay, wow, like everything has vitamin E in it. That's really cool. So I'm assuming this is like a powder highlight. It is a little bit dark for me, but it's going to be gorgeous on the eyes, and it's kind of paired with that matte eyeshadow, so that makes me think like, you know, eyeshadow duo. And then you have on the bottom Miss Red Carpet Luster Light Loose Pearls. It's a creamy texture for easy application, wet or dry. So I feel like you could do whatever you want with this basically, because seems like it's more of a multitasker. I definitely want to see though what this looks like. I kind of wish it had like a sifter or something on there, because once you close this, it's very likely to just go where you want. Oh, okay, I just put some in my hand. It looks so pretty. So we're gonna take that brush. This is for loose highlight, so this is perfect. And I'm gonna take a little bit. It's so pretty. It's got a lot of sparkle to it, but if you're looking for that effect of a, like, it's definitely glowy, but then it's also sparkly. I like that you get the best of both worlds though, because what I don't like is for a highlight to just be glittery. Like, that doesn't do it for me. But when it's got a glow and then the glitter as well, I'm just going overboard because why not? So there you have it. That is very, very nice. I'm so ecstatic to try it all together and in more ways. Got a couple more things. So we have the Hank and Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. I'm not going to open this because I do believe I have so many open right now that would not be wise, but I also think I saw this as a sneak peek in one of my upcoming subscription boxes. So what I am probably going to do is actually put these, as much as I love the liner, I'll be nice and I'll share as long as I can find my other one. If not, then I'm keeping it. But I will more than likely just put these in an upcoming giveaway, because like I said, I have the liner, I love it, so I'd love for one of you guys to be able to try it. And then I think I am getting this, but super stoked for those. And then one last thing, this is a Lip Aesthetic liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Sangre. Sangre. A little bit of a bummer that it's not like a different color, but it is still different enough. It's not the same by any means. I think it's going to be more like magenta. This is a horrible swatch, so please forgive me, but it is like a berry hot magenta kind of color. So they are, you know, obviously quite different, but I would have loved to have seen like a nude from them or a pink, something that was a little bit more wearable along with a red. That would have really made my day to get like one of each. But you know, we got two really bold colors. They look gorgeous. The formula seems pretty nice. I know we've only swatched, but it's not drying down to like a, you know, super desert dry. It has like a little bit of feel to it when you touch it. It's not like 100% dry, it's close to it, so I'm excited for that. The gloss is very pretty, as you can see. So just to recap, we did get 2 liquid lipsticks and we got a lip gloss. I got the mascara liner, 2 brushes, and then we also got the beautiful eye kit. The formulation and the product themselves seem so nice. So I am definitely excited for all of this. I think it was well worth, you know, yes, $77 is pretty expensive, but when you consider everything that I got and then I'm able to try out so much from the brand, it actually makes me really happy. So I'm ecstatic for that. If it's still available, I will link the mystery boxes below so that you guys can check them out if you're interested. Like I said, they do have Afterpay. That way, if you want to just split it up and not pay it all at once, you do have an option for that. It's a really convenient, like, helpful thing in those times where you're like, oh, I want that, but I shouldn't spend this much right now. Then, you know, you can pay it over 4 weeks instead of all in one day. All right, so that is it for this video. Let me know what you think below. If you like mystery unboxings, especially beauty boxes, leave me a big thumbs up. I would also love for you to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can watch some of my other videos. I know it may not seem like you're doing a lot, but it means the world to me when you guys like and comment and subscribe and everything. So thank you so much, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye!